Welcome back to the backyard. Today's episode is about before and after.
And how I took my backyard from this to this over the last 8 years.
Thanks for checking us out.
Welcome to the backyard.
All right, so I know what you're thinking. What a creative name for the channel. Backyard. It's very original, I know. All kidding aside, I just want to first and foremost say thank you to anybody who helped me do this. A couple people, more so than many others, and you know who you are. Thank you very much. One of them I'll mention in this video. Anyway, this channel is dedicated to lawn care, landscape, enthusiasts, do-it-yourselfers, and those who want to make their backyard a haven for them to enjoy. If you're one of any of those things, you came to the right channel. So this first episode is going to be about before and after, and I'm going to have to talk over the video because I didn't take videos over. So bear with me while we go through that. I'll go through it as quick as I can. We're going to start off by talking about just the first few jobs I did, and then we'll transition into the different parts of the yard. Thanks for checking us out, and if you like what you see, like, comment, or subscribe. Thank you very much, and let's go check it out. I want to introduce you to Hammer. He's going to be around a lot because he likes to work. You can't say hi, and he doesn't bark. Wow, he's the best German Shepherd. Mwah. So I have three areas of the yard, really. It's the backyard, the pool area, and the pitch. Job that I did was stepping stones from the driveway all the way to the pool. Shout out to Matt. You've helped me more than anyone else. Danny, you're out there too, but Matt, thank you, brother. We started out by planting 19 arborvitaes. The next job was tree removal. The yard is about 20,000 square feet, or half an acre. I believe that's Joe Dirte. That's how it's pronounced. You can see the thujas there on the right. They're only about 5 feet tall, if that. This was after I had planted some grass seed and a few of those thujas on the right. Or this was early spring I took this picture. Look at that difference. That's why you do it first. Mother Nature, she doesn't care if you pay her money. You gotta wait. This is the view from the other side. Those trees can grow 3 feet a year once they get established. The saying goes, first year they sleep, second year they creep, and then the third year they leap. This is what it looked like right after I bought the house. I went through some phases with this, put a bunch of grass seed down. We played football, we played croquet. I really wanted to make it super nice, but it dropped almost 5 feet from the one side to the other. So I got a sod cutter, tore everything out, got a bobcat, and did what's called a cut and fill. Let the fun begin. What better idea to have than to put a putting green in your backyard, right? Well, life happened, and over the course of a year, I got real busy on other projects, shocker, and kind of let it go. There will be an entire video series of the pitch, drainage, how I got it nice, mowing, the mowers to use, grass types. I would consider myself a semi-expert on grass. So, we switched it to zoysia. Now let's go inside the pool area. The first big job in there was putting the tiki bar in. For some reason, I put plants in years before that, and I wanted to show how dumb that was. Those rocks actually came in handy many times. There's an entire video series coming out about that. And not only that, but the extension of the tiki bar, where I'm going to be removing the middle pole and moving the pool filter, electric and plumbing, to make that a square. We'll also be walling it in, putting a door in and some windows. It's going to be awesome. That's what the pool area looked like the first month or two after moving in. Matt helped me with this job. This was before the pool patio, but I want to show you the transition of this area. And there's a ton of upcoming content, so stay tuned. There are plans for videos for landscape lighting, the lights that are on the field, all the solar lights that I have, sod farm, grass maintenance, and other future projects. Comment down below on what you'd like to see first. Thank you for watching.
Any liking and subscribing is much appreciated.